Most people think trading bots are built in seconds using AI. You type one prompt, the bot is ready. But the real process is much deeper than that. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how we build a professional AI trading bot. Starting from a real client inquiry, moving into AI-assisted coding, and finally full manual optimization inside MetaEditor. No shortcuts, no hype. Just the real workflow. Let's go step by step. Everything starts with a real client inquiry. The client explains the issues: trailing logic not working properly, pending orders not executing correctly, and faults inside the current setup. Now, this part is extremely important. Before writing even a single line of code, we analyze everything carefully. What is the strategy? What exactly is malfunctioning? Is the issue in execution logic or risk logic? Is this happening in live market conditions or just demo behavior? Often the client also requests clarification, demo testing, and rule verification before going live. This is where professional bot development actually begins, by understanding the logic first, not by rushing into coding. Once the logic is clear, we move into AI-assisted development. At this stage, I use AI to help structure specific functions. For example, the bot must follow a sell trade, or pending orders must activate once the opposite trade reaches profit. Instead of drafting everything manually from zero, I provide structured instructions to AI. It generates the function structure, order selection logic, profit calculation blocks, and pending order conditions. But here's the key point. AI is not replacing the developer. AI is accelerating the structure. Every single line is still reviewed carefully because even one small logical mistake can cost real money in live markets. After that, we move into logic updates and verification. AI might suggest changes like updating is opposite trade in profit to use a zero profit threshold or ensuring pending orders immediately follow profitable trades. But this stage is critical. AI suggests the update. I verify it. Is the condition correct? Are we using the proper order type? Is order magic number being checked correctly? Is symbol filtering applied? Professional development means you never blindly accept generated code. You validate everything, always. Then we move to the real engine, MetaEditor. This is where full manual control happens. Inside MetaEditor, I carefully review OrderSelect loops, pending order type checks, OP_buy stop, and OP_sell stop logic, profit point calculations using bid and ask, and proper return conditions. Manual coding ensures there are no unnecessary loops, no logical conflicts, no execution delays, and proper trade modification handling. AI provides the framework, but manual coding makes it stable. Finally, we reach optimization and function refinement. You'll see the optimized function does opposite trade. In profit open parenthesis, int pending type close parenthesis. At this stage, we remove unnecessary thresholds, refine profit calculations, ensure correct ticket selection, maintain proper trade context, and prevent false triggers. This is where real experience matters, because in live market conditions, even a small logical error can cause heavy losses. Optimization is not optional, it's mandatory.